Hey guys, this is Darko. In front of us is 32-inch Samsung The Frame from 2023 TV lineup, and currently I have ArtStore membership active, so I want to show you which options are available and what actually do you get compared to the free version. So here on top we see highlighted works from different galleries and different collections. So if I open the first one, you will see related images, and if we click on this one, so when you press settings button it will say not available, but if you press OK button you will see related photographs and images below, and then if you press arrow up you can see more details about particular image, and this will vary. Sometimes the description is very long, and for some photographs or paintings like this one, it's very short. You can add it to your favorite directory here. And if we go back, you have different mounts you can choose from. So if you don't want to see it full screen, but with a frame, you can choose different formats of the frame here and also different color. So let's go with this one for example, and as I press OK button it will update this particular image. So now if I press OK and go to the next one, by default it will be displayed full screen, but now if I go back to the first image, you will see it the same way you set it in terms of the frame options. And then if we go back, you can also choose to display all images from certain gallery by choosing display all. Now if I press it, you will see this info bar at the bottom, and then if you press OK and go up, you will see display options, so additional option now, where you can then choose rotation of the images, so display options if you want to display them one after the other or randomly, and then rotation, how long should each image be on the screen, so it can be from 3 minutes up to 7 days. So let's keep it at 1 hour, and now you can resume the gallery or you can go back to the home menu. And now I want to show you favorites options. So if you go to favorites, you will see all the images you've selected to appear in the favorites menu. And here you can display them all, or you can delete all or some of them from the list. So you can delete it very easily here. And this can be a combination of images from ArtStore and images you've uploaded, and you can upload your own images from USB memory or using SmartThings app on your phone. And here you can also display all of them randomly or one after the other as they are sorted here. Then as we scroll down we see different categories, but at the bottom you will see your album, so images you've uploaded, as well as complementary folders with 20 artworks in 2 folders. And since I'm testing this TV for the last 6 months, Samsung didn't add new images here. So still you get 10 plus 10 free artworks that you can display for as long as you want, even without membership active. And then in the bottom you have art mode options. First you have sleep options, and for each option you have a description. So basically TV has sensor built in which will turn off the screen if there is nobody in the room, and then if motion is detected it will bring the artwork back on the screen. And then there is night mode as well, set the frame to turn off and on automatically when light is detected in the room. Artifact, so this will optimize the way artwork is displayed. Ambient sensor will analyze how much light there is around the TV and what's the color of that light, and adjust the parameters of the picture accordingly. And then if you want to learn what is art mode, you can open it here, and then very quickly you can find out more about it. And that's basically it. So compared to the free version, the only difference is that you can display any of the images and artworks from the gallery for as long as you want, but there are no additional options available, like to display artwork in original format, so not to be cropped to 16:9 format of the screen, but to see it as it was painted or created by the artist. And then at the end, let I show you which software version I've used. So under support, software update, you see current version is 1460. That's the latest one, under which I showed you how the art mode looks with membership active. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you own Samsung Frame TV. How do you like it? Which options are you using? Are you uploading your own artworks? And if you have lifestyle TVs from other brands, also let me know in the comment section what are your impressions. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.